Hello students, welcome to the video lecture of Core Java 2nd. So in today's lecture we are just going to discussing about input stream class. So as you know that the input stream class is a one type of class which is used to read the content from the file. Okay, so basically the input stream class is an abstract class. Okay, it means that it is a super class. Okay, and this super class reads the bytes of stream from the file. Okay, so whether it is a one type of file, or whether it is an array, or whether it is any peripheral device, or whether it is a socket. Okay, so let's see, or let's understand how actually input stream class is works. Okay, suppose here are some source is there. Okay, you are just going to reading the content, or you are just going to reading the bytes of string from the source. Okay, with the help of your Java program. Okay, so in a source it might be a file, it might be a console application, or it might be a any socket also. Okay, it means that you can just simply read the content byte by byte from a source, whether your source is a file, whether your source is a console, whether your source is a socket also. Okay, so this is a input stream class. Okay, so some of the important methods are there of input stream class. So basically the three important methods are there. The first one is public abstract integer read method. So as you know that the public is an access specifier, abstract is a keyword, and integer is a return type. Okay, and read is a method. So with the help of this method you can just simply read the next byte of data, okay, from the input stream, and when it returns -1, it means that there are no remaining bytes, okay, in a file. The second method, that is public integer available. Okay, so there is a is missing, that is a available method. So with the help of this method you can just simply estimate the number of bytes that can be read from the current input stream. Suppose there is one word is there, that is hello space students. Okay, so in this particular word, or in this particular stream, suppose 14 number of words are there, okay, including the space. Suppose if you are just reading character by character, okay, suppose it will just displays you the single character. Okay, so it means that 13 characters are remaining. Okay, so with the help of this available method it will just displays you that 13 characters are remaining. Okay, then third method, important method, is that is public void close. So with the help of this method you can just simply close the current input streams. Okay, I think all of you are understood this video. Thank you.